This is how we type mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another review. I have here again a light jacket for autumn from Zara for you guys. So let me put this on to show you how it looks. This jacket from Zara. 50 euro is the price. Here we go. See how it looks. Perfect, elegant. I go more backwards so you can see me. You can see me how it is. Put a strong gesture. That should be straight, more good for jacket. See the fitness here, how it is at my hand. No loose, it's not loose. You see how till here, lovely. Not so much short neither. It's good size medium here. You can see. You can see here the chain, how it is. You can use with tight as well. Let me tie this one. See, but it doesn't look that good and elegant when you tie. But while you're riding a bike, this could be. But if you're more loose, the jacket look better. It look more manly, more macho way. You can see how is the shoulder tight fit here. Should do some exercises if you want your clothes fits you good, because it's important on the loose body. Loose doesn't look good the cloth, but you can see how it's here. Should be good the shoulder. You can see here, there. Very high design, high quality design. See how is the neck, how is the sleeve. Lovely. Here you have the button. Show you how it is. Lovely, high quality. Let me show you the chain. Zips. It's right in Zara. You can see here original Zara from Spain. Lovely chain here all the way. Let's see here top you have another button. Let me take this off, how it is. And another chain here. Let's take this here. You see Zara written European L, US L, Mexico 42, made in Turkey. So lovely size in this case. How you see the stitching inside, the best quality possible with the high definition. High style, lovely jacket. This one hanger comes with that. Top they don't put any sticker. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.